Today is 28th of February 2016 and my daughter is going to open this up and going to fix this one. This is called breath attack spacer. Now she's opening and fixing this one. Okay baby, open it up. Yes. Okay. And this one? Okay. 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 Okay, that's alright. I'll get it for you.
It's broken.
It's not broken. Okay.
No, I have to fix it now.
You fix this one, yes?
Where is this one like that? No, it's slowly.
Okay, that's alright, baby.
It's all like that.
Yeah.
Ouch!
Yes, that's it. That's it. Now put it here. Put it to your nose, like that, like this. Yeah. Wait. Okay, and okay. That's press it. Okay, and you should yeah. Okay, that's it. This is just to show how you can fix it. Okay. You breathing now? You know everything, baby. And she is like 2 years and 8 months today. Okay. She knows how to fix it. Now she did her breath test. Okay, now you take it off and put it back in, baby. Yep. Okay. Put it in the box, yep. Okay. That's that one, yep. Yep. Okay. And the other one. Okay. Put it in there and close the lid. Close the lid. This one. Yeah. Close this one. Put it in there and close the lid. Okay. And give it a big clap. Claps now. Claps. High five. Beautiful. And it's me here with my beautiful daughter. Thank you.